Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove someone from a Slack channel. Let's walk through the process in a clear, calm way so you know exactly what to click and why. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the channel where you want to remove a person. Make sure you're in the correct channel. The name will show at the top of the conversation and in the left sidebar. Click the channel to bring it into focus so you can access its settings and member list. Next, look to the top right of the channel window for the members area. Depending on your Slack layout, you may see the number of members or a people icon. Click there to open the channel details and view all members. This is where you manage roles and membership for the channel. In the members list, find the person you intend to remove. Move your cursor over their name to reveal the More Actions menu, which appears as 3 dots. If you don't see the 3 dots yet, that usually means you don't have the necessary permission in this channel. If you need permission, use the menu to make yourself a channel manager first. Click the 3 dots next to your own name and choose Make Channel Manager. Becoming a channel manager gives you the ability to manage roles and remove members in this channel. After you do this, the options you need should appear. Keep in mind that permissions can vary by workspace, so if the option is unavailable, it may be restricted by your organization's settings. Now return to the person you want to remove. Click the 3 dots next to their name and choose Remove from Channel. Slack will typically ask you to confirm this action. Confirm to finalize the removal. The person will immediately lose access to the channel and its messages going forward. They won't be notified with a custom message here, but they will no longer see the channel in their sidebar. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Removing someone from a channel does not deactivate their Slack account. It only revokes access to this specific space. If you remove someone by mistake, you can invite them back to the channel later. The steps are the same for public and private channels, though visibility and permissions may differ. Finally, if you still don't see the 3-dot menu or the remove option after becoming a channel manager, your workspace may limit who can change roles or remove members, and you'll need to follow your organization's policies. That's it. You've opened the channel, accessed members, ensured the right permissions, and removed the person safely and confidently.